serious man.
Hey guys.
Welcome to heaven, mister.
Thank you very much.
But right now you are not in heaven. You are in the judgment of heaven. If you win, you will enter in heaven.
Absolutely.
First of all, introduce yourself. What is your name?
Actually, most times people call me Ojo.
Let me tell you something. I'm not joking with you. I asked your real name. If you try to lie, I will punish you.
See, let me tell you something. I am not afraid of you. And I don't care how you look like. I am not afraid of you. So don't let me change it for you. Okay? Don't let me show you the other side of me.
No, nonsense.
Do you want to go to hell?
I am not afraid of you.
Look at your right side.
Oh, what do you want?
That door goes to hell. If you want to raise your head on me,
Listen to me. You cannot do anything.
What?
You cannot do anything to me.
Hey!
If you think you can, come and beat me. Bastard.
Hey! Jesus!
go to hell.
What?
I'm sorry.
I say go to hell.
Hey, Jesus Christ.
Bro,
Who is your bro? I count 3. 1, 2.
did I say anything wrong?
You said I'm Buster what?
Bro, I'm on my knees. I'm sorry.
I don't care.
Adam and Eve, first sight in Eden.
Hey.
I don't understand.
I wonder.